Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got something in this box. Devilbiss D-Cup 24 ounce demo kit. So I'm going to do kind of a little unboxing and show you what comes in this kit and is it value for your money. I priced all these parts out in the kit individually against the value of the kit. So let's go to the table, get started up. Okay guys, I marked out on the table here the probably the most important pieces that come in the kit, so you might as well get started. Now I purchased this kit from Amazon for $53 Canadian. All right, so we'll start with the most expensive part of the kit, which is in here. The D-cup adapter for your spray gun. Now this adapter is a number 43. The kit description on Amazon says it's supposed to come with a 31 adapter. The difference between the two adapters is the length. Let me take this out of the package here. The difference appears, oh my goodness, it's in there. The difference in the adapters appears to be the length of this portion here. The 43 is a little shorter and fits the FLG 5s so that it clears, or the finish line guns, I guess, in general, so that it clears the hanging hook on the top of the gun. So I'll just grab a gun so I can show you that. Okay, so the adapter just screws in to where the original cup screws in, so that when the base goes on here, it will clear the hanging hook on the top of the gun. All right, so the cost of this adapter is approximately $30. Okay, so the next item of the most value would be the reusable sleeve and the lid. You purchase two of these for $30, so I'm going to say you could get one. One's value then obviously would be $15. So we're already at $45 of our $53 kit. So let's move on to the next item. Okay guys, so the next item to show you would be the filters that go in the top of the cup. Now you get a 150, you get four 150s and four 200 micron filters. They don't come as part of the cups, the disposable cups, and the lids. They come together as a group. You have to purchase these separately, and they work out to be about $1 a piece. So you get 8 of those. So there's another $8 worth of material. So we've already hit our $53 value with just those few items. So what is left in the box? A set of instructions on how to use it, a scale that goes down the side of the cup system. They supply you with eight disposable lids, 8 disposable 24 ounce liners, a refilling funnel, and that's basically it. So I worked out that the cups and the lids are about $2 a set. So there's another $16. Okay, guys, that's the values of all the parts that come in this kit. It definitely is worth more than the individually priced parts. I hope maybe this little video possibly helps somebody out. Me personally, I think after I give this a try, if it's any good, I may actually downgrade to the 9 ounce system. I know I do a lot of smaller projects, and that could possibly be the size of the kits that I'll be using most frequently. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.